What's up guys, it's JD again. Today I have another saber reveal. This is Tommy's Saberforge Arbiter. This is the version 2. I've actually never done a version 2. The difference between it is it has a... Hold on real quick, let me turn this monitor on, turned off on me. The difference between this one and a version 1 is the grip section. It has a grenade grip section on this one. The other ones was just a design like the emitter up here. So that's the only difference between that. This is running a NBv4. The LED is royal blue, white for flash on clash. 28mm 2-watt bass speaker, and it has Jordan's chassis. If I can get it out. So here is the chassis. I'm getting a close-up look of this. So here's the chassis. Very neatly done. You guys already know. There's the speaker. Very nice. And the only hot glue you'll ever see in any of my builds is to protect these wires on the side. Right there. And I also put a little bit on the speaker leads. Just cover it up and then I scrape it like that so it's flush with the chassis. That's all I do. So there's the chassis. Slide that back in there. And I don't think the chassis slides around in there at all. Yeah, I think it's good. Yeah, once it's pushed in all the way, it doesn't slide at all. So just push it in all the way and it'll be snug. This has a... Tommy actually told me late that he wanted a lit switch, and I told him, let me see what I have. So I had a silver purple lit switch, and I asked him if he wanted to see what that would look like. If not, we could order one for him, and it actually came out looking pretty dope. So he said that he would want to keep it. The kill key right here, these are my kill keys. I'm selling these guys. If you want one, let me know. I have multiple colors, even glow in the dark. This is a white on black, a black on white. So it just says RGB right there. And they're offset, so they go well with Saberforge sabers. So let's fire this thing up. The fonts in it are the default sound fonts. So I'm actually gonna get these right, guys. All right, so here we go. It's very loud. Usually with Saberforge sabers, you're gonna get that loud resonance. Very nice swing sensitivity. Here's some clashes. And here's the switch. Switch is wired up to the deep sleep pad. So if you lose your kill key, don't worry about your switch. It'll turn off when deep sleep is activated. So like that. And of course you have your mute function that I never really show off to people, but it does have a mute function. When you're changing fonts, you just hold it down on the first beep, you let it go. And here's the mute function. So you get no swings, no sounds. You still get the flash on clash though, which is pretty cool. And you can also have a setting where you shut it off, it won't make the sound, but I just have it to the default, so it'll make the sound when you turn it off. That's pretty much it. The fonts are the default fonts, so we don't really need to go through those. You guys have seen them before. Let me show you guys with the blade, and then we'll do lights off. I totally forgot to do lights off on my last saber reveal, the Ahsoka's, so that is my fault. Forgot to do the lights off with them. That is like a tradition, lights on, lights off. But we will do that now with this one. I have a Saberforge blade, sanded. Oops, I'm gonna take the blade plug out of this one. Oh, just to show Tommy, this is the stock blade plug that comes with your saber. So you got that nice blade plug. I really like that Saberforge includes a free blade plug. I believe they still do that with their empties. So you have a nice deep blade socket, really good for dueling. This hilt is actually one of my favorite hilts for dueling, and the grenade section adds a really nice grippy texture to it, and of course it has the deep blade socket. A cool thing that you can do with these hilts is that you can get a blade plug that has a crystal inside, upside down of course, and then you have like a little neat crystal chamber right there. So here it is with the lights on. It's a nice deep blue, royal blue. Here's the flash on clash. So let's do it with the lights off now, guys. All I have is a little R2-D2 blue light back there, so that's why it's a little blue illuminated. So here it is with the lights off. Very, very, very bright. And here's the flash on clash. There's the purple switch. So there's your saber, Tommy. I hope you enjoy it. It's been a pleasure. This is his first lightsaber, custom lightsaber. So can't wait to see your face on it. I will be sending the autographed stuff that you wanted as well. So yeah, tell me what you think once you get it. Thanks, guys.